Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an Insecure Deserialization lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is modifying serialized data types. Session solve lab, edit the object, access the administrator account, then delete Carlos. We have our own credentials, and it looks like we'll need to do some fuzzy comparisons, or I forget what it's called, but whatever. We'll see it when we get there. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. All right. And it's another one where it's in the session token. So let's log in as a whiner Pyter. And we'll go here. Proxy, HTTP history, post login. So we've got a base64 encoded, same as before. So decoder, boom, we'll decode its URL, decode as base64. So we've got a user object with a username of wiener, access token of this. Interesting. So what if we, what are the PHP primitive types? Because right now we've got a string for an access token, right? And so what I'm thinking is that we change this from a string. Oh, we can do leave it as a, no, we want it to be like an integer. So I think we want, let's just try I 1 0. I have no idea, but let's try it. So encode as base 64, and then I'm gonna copy this. Let's go here, here, here. I need one of the equal signs. So I'm gonna just everything except for that last. Paste that. That looks good. Save. Let's see if that worked. No, it did not. Okay. So what if we did like a Boolean? So instead of I, we did Boolean, just like our last one, which cat modifying serialized objects. Oh, dang it. What did it look like? What did our last one look like? I don't remember. I don't think there was quotes though. Well, maybe that was the problem with the I was the quotes. Let's try this. Session A, B, save, go. No. What's it? Why does it have colon? Oh, that's I length and then the value. So what if we do B? Is it B1? I don't remember. And none of these are telling us. Let's try this. 1. No. Okay. Let's delete the B, or I mean that extra 1. Oh, now we need the %3Ds. This to here. 1. Boom. Session. Let me add %3D, %3D, and save that. Invalid access token. We got something at least. Okay. Let's go, because I don't remember it. Let's go to, I want to go back to that one right before this one. So I'm going to go to all labs. And I'm going to scroll down to the Insecure Deserialization. That one. Access the lab. It's the one we did yesterday. I'm going to get a new token. My account. Wiener Peter. I'll log in. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to see the format of this cookie. I want to go here. I wish I could tab this stuff, but I can just add it to another line. Decode as base 64. So it is B0. Let's look up Chrome. It's PHP serialized integer. Right there. It's got to be that I string. Property. Integer I value. That's why. String has size value. Okay. Sorry about that. So let's do this I 0. And then we'll encode. Both of these are the same. Oh, no, we want this one to be. Let's copy this. Just so we have the original. Paste it. And then instead of string, we're going to do an integer. And instead of the string, we're just going to put. Should we put 0? I think so. Okay, that's the one we want. Or we want to try at least. Encode is base 64. Whoops, we want this whole. Let's encode. Try encoding. Encode as base 64. Ah, crap. Nope, that's not what I want. I want this one. Code as base 64. Shoot. Ah, dang it. How do I? Okay. There we go. Whew. Let me take everything but these last two equals and go here. Session. Take all of this, paste it, and then do %3D 7. Oh crap, this is the wrong lab, isn't it? It's this lab session. Save. Hey, look at that. Boom. And then we can delete Carlos. Sweet. So that's all we need to do. So the question is, should I just copy this? Or should we modify the existing? Let's just copy this. Make our script. This is probably cheating, but I mean, honestly, who's watching this video this long, like, and worried about it? That's what I want to know. If you've watched to this point and are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're gonna cheat, let me know. Utils, create script. And the reason I think it's cheating, it's not like really cheating. I mean, it's just cutting corners, I guess. Copy, paste. So vim modifying serialized data types. Because all I'm going to do is take this, Control C. I'm going to make this real simple on our session. Let's call it decoded session equals this. Okay. So this has the exact format that we want. And then we're going to do encoded equals base 64.b64 encode decoded session dot encode dot decode, and then we're gonna do then we're gonna URL quoted equals URL quote encoded, or we can just call this session now. And then we're gonna do exactly the same as we did in this cookies get, and then shop, that shop is solved. Okay, let's grab this, and we'll delete some stuff. Probably needs to go there. And that was right. Okay. Yeah, I think this is it. Python. All right, let's just arrow up, because that's how we do it. Let's see if we got this one solved. Lab is solved. Right on. All right. Let's get our banner. Come on. Boom, shakalaka. All right, so we saw in the cookies, same kind of format. We noticed that it was URL encoded and base64 encoded. Once we decoded that stuff, we saw the format. Based on the format of it being a string, we decided to try type confusion. Not type confusion, but what is that called? Type juggling? I think that's what it is. Where when you compare things in PHP, if you don't use strict with triple equals, it can confuse what the values are. And so we changed from a string of 32 characters to an integer with just one character, 0. And when that compared, it would return as true as long as what it was comparing against didn't have start with a number or something like that, or couldn't evaluate to a PHP, couldn't convert it to a number, then it would evaluate as true, which meant that we got admin access. And once we had admin access, we were able to delete the user Carlos. And that's what we did in this script. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.